Hey guys, this is Nick from NCA here with another video. In this video, we're going to introduce talking about dry fire practice. We're going to have a couple of videos on this going over different aspects. But when we talk about dry fire practice, what that is us actually going through repetitions, whether it's dry firing or actually practicing some gun handling skills like the draw or practicing reloads with an empty gun. And so this is something that obviously allows someone to practice inside their home without going to the range. Obviously, we want to make sure we do so in a safe environment. But dry fire practice is really a big part of learning how to shoot. We still need to make sure that we're shooting live rounds. Sometimes dry fire practice, I think, is emphasized as being the end-all be-all, and I don't think that's necessarily true. You do need to go off and you do need to shoot live rounds. It helps with things like acclimating, helping us get over flinching, that kind of thing. But at the same time, there's a lot to be said for dry fire practice, and it's an excellent resource for training that really doesn't cost us money or really all that much time. So with dry fire practice, a few things that we're going to be talking about. We'll talk about safety. We'll talk about a few different things that you can dry practice for gun handling, things again like reloads and practicing your draw. And then we'll also talk a little bit about dry fire. So when we talk about dry fire here in this video, what we're talking about doing is obviously breaking the trigger on an empty chamber. And one of the things that we can get some really good feedback on with dry fire is essentially being able to watch our sights as we break the trigger and pick up and see if there's any sort of movement. So it's kind of one way to sort of gauge how we're doing with good trigger control, to see our sights in alignment, be able to break the trigger, see that there wasn't any movement, or if there was movement, what might be causing that.